if your company has a sales system, a procurement process or system, a contract management system, let me ask you, why don't you have a negotiation system? You see, to negotiate means to do business. Now, you have some systems in place that support how you do business, but do you have a system in place that gives you a single view of how you will strategically approach all negotiations, what behaviors will support successful negotiations, what the process will be for engaging in negotiations, ensuring that negotiation best and leading practices match every part of your sales or procurement process? Do you analyze all the data you have in your possession, contracts, precedent, proposals, whatever it might be, so you can do pattern recognition? Do you have a system that helps you to prepare consistently, but also do structured debriefing? All these things are possible with a lot of ease these days. If you don't have a negotiation system in place, then you don't have infrastructure to compete in the new world where it's man and machine.